Hello everyone, welcome to part 7 of the Git tutorial. And in this video we are going to delete our Git repository. We are going to learn how to delete our Git repository, and we are going to delete our Git repository that we have created so far. And we will also learn new command, that is the clone git clone command. Okay, so if we want to make the identical copy of our git repository that is located at our git account, get our github account. Okay, so if we want to give the access to some other person, some other developer to work on our project, like if the multiple persons are working on our project, then we are going to use the git clone. I am going to explain you after few minutes. First of all, we are going to delete our repository and then we will create again, so that if sometime you are required to delete the repository, then you can able to do that. Okay, like we are testing right now, and this test repository I want to delete. So see, you just required to open your repository here. Okay, you can go to your account, log into your account. You can go to github.com, log into your account, and then here at the left side you can see all the repositories will come here. You will just open your repository. Okay, so after that you can go here in settings. Okay, so go down, and here you can see delete this repository button is there. Okay, so you can able to delete from here. I am going to click on this button. Okay, so see, it will ask you to type this one, okay, as the confirmation. So I will type the same, my account and the my repository name. Okay, I'm going to do this, and I understand. See, this will not this is not, you can't undo this. Okay, so I will click on the consequences, and this my project has been deleted. Your repository, this one, was successfully deleted. Here it is written. Okay, so now our repository has been deleted. Now let's do from once again, where in the last video. See, uh, here is the test git. I'm going to show hidden files in back. There is a command, press command shift dot. Okay, command shift dot. Okay, so you can see the git folder. I'm going to remove this folder now. Okay, I will start from the scratch. Okay, so now see, this is our project, and our project is ready to upload it on git. So I will give some commands here. I will right click on add new terminal, add folder. If you are in Windows, you can go inside the folder, right click and git bash here. Okay, as we have installed the git bash. Okay, so now I will run, first initialize the project git init. Okay, the project gets initialized. You can see the .git folder is automatically created. Now I will check the git status ones, and all untracked files come here. These are all untracked files. We have still not associated this file with git, so we are going to do git add all. If we want to add the all files, then we will can do like this, or we can also give dot. Okay, and if we want to associate the single file, if we want to add the single file to git, then we can give it like this, single file name. Okay, so here I want to push all the files, so I will give this option all. Okay, so next is I want to commit now these files. Git commit minus m initial upload. Okay, so this one is also done. Now before pushing, I want to create the repository here. Create repository, so with the same name, test git. Okay, test git. This is the test repository. Okay, I will make it public. Then I will create repository without readme. Okay, see, it also give the suggestion. If you are creating the new repository, then you can either do this. If you have the existing repository, then you can do this. So only thing we are required to give this command, like we have done last time also. we want to connect this repository to our local project. Okay, so git remote at or origin with the repository URL. This URL you can also get it from your repository as well. Okay, so this command I am going to give it here. Okay, so see, by default it will take the main branch. Okay, if you don't want to change the branch, see here, uh, it is going to take the master branch by default. Okay, so we will just do git push minus u origin master. This u we are using as option. See, this we are going to use for the first time. Minus u option means that every time we are going to push our code from our local project to this repository, and now after that you are not required to give the full, you are just required to give the git push is enough, because you have already minus u option already told to git that every time we are going to do this one. So that's why this is the meaning of minus u. Okay, so I'm going to use this git push minus u origin master, origin main master here. Okay, and see our project has been uploaded. Let's see, go to test git, and you can see all the files come up here in master branch. Now there is only one branch, main branch is not there. We have created the master branch, and by default it is created, master branch is created by default, and we have uploaded all the files to the master branch of our git repository. Okay, now we are going to learn the git clone command. Okay, so now suppose here I am going to close this test git, and I am going to close this folder as well from here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete my project from here at all. See, okay, I have deleted my project. Suppose our project has been deleted by mistake, and or our system get crash or something like this, we have lost our project. Okay, or any of our teammates lost his project in his system. We are 3 4 persons are connecting, and I will also explain you here, like it is working. Please wait for few seconds. So now it is correct. Okay, so suppose now there are we are going to learn git clone. Okay, so there are 3 persons working for the same project. This is the project. Okay, all are working in this project. Okay, so git is this project is everywhere. This is the git repository, we can say git is git repo. Okay, and he is also having project, he is also having, and suppose this person lost his disk. Okay, and or disk get lost disk. Okay, so what he will do, he will use the git clone command. He will use git clone command to take the project from the git repo to his system. Okay, he will copy, is a kind of copy or clone. Okay, one and the same thing he is going to take from the git repository. So we are going to do the same. So what we will do here, we are going to take this one, copy this link. Okay, https link, and we will run where we want to copy, here. We will right click in personal we want to copy, we will right click on personal, new terminal folder, here git clone, and that path from the git. Okay, we'll enter. So it is cloning into the test kit. So I think it has been done. You can go inside your folder and you can see we have again got the test kit folder from our git repository. So it makes the identical copy of our project here in our local system. Okay, so if you are in Windows, you are just required to go inside your htdocs folder and then right click their git bash here and then git clone and your project link, okay, https link. So see here, we can test it as well. This repository is working fine. You can go and new terminate folder in Mac, git status, and all the files must be here. Okay, and there is no file that is required to commit. So you can see that git init command is already there. What we can do here, I will open this and will make change in one of the file. I will remove us from here like this. Now see, just for testing git status, see it is saying this file has been modified. Okay, so like this, now it is fine. We can make the changes. Git add, git minus m. Now only git push is also work. Okay, this one done. Now we can check here. See, we able to push two commits and last one about us file modified, and you can see the change here. So we able to remove this us and it is showing in red what we have moved, and this green is what we have, what change we have done. Okay, so I hope that everything is clear to you. So we will continue in next video some more commands we are going to do, and we are going to move this for we are going to move forward with this. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.